Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cookie banner on Wix. This is an essential feature for keeping your website compliant with privacy regulations and ensuring your visitors are informed about cookie usage. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the navigation menu with various options. Look for and click on Settings. This is your control center for site-wide configurations, and it's where we'll be setting up the cookie banner. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to the Settings page, which contains multiple sections for managing different parts of your website. You'll need to scroll down through these options until you locate the section labeled Site, Domain, and SEO. This area handles important compliance and technical aspects of your site. Within this section, look for an option named Compliance, Privacy, and Cookies. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This is where Wix houses all the tools related to privacy policies and cookie management. Now you're on the Compliance, Privacy, and Cookies page. This is the heart of your site's privacy settings. On the right side of this page, you'll see an option that says Add a Cookie Consent Banner. This is exactly what we need. Click on Add to Site to begin the installation process. This action will trigger Wix to prepare the cookie banner feature for your website. At this point, a small installation window will pop up on your screen. Take a moment to read through the User-Centrics app overview. This gives you information about the compliance application that will be added to your site and how it helps manage cookie consent. It's important to understand what you're adding, as this tool will interact with your visitors. Once you've reviewed the information and you're ready to proceed with adding the banner to your site, simply click on Agree and Add. This will automatically install the cookie consent banner across all your website pages, ensuring that visitors are properly notified about cookie usage when they visit your site. And that's it. You've successfully set up a cookie banner on your Wix website, keeping your site compliant and your visitors informed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.